You could be making a big mistake that not only wastes your money but also puts your health at risk. If you've been thinking about buying Lean Biome from Amazon, there's something you absolutely need to know before you click Buy Now. What I'm about to tell you could be the difference between seeing real weight loss results and throwing your money away. Lean Biome has become one of the most talked about natural weight loss supplements online. It's backed by science, praised by thousands, and is based on something that many people ignore: your gut health. The supplement promises to help balance the bacteria in your gut so your metabolism works in your favor, not against you. But here's the problem: people are going straight to Amazon looking for a quick purchase, and that's where things go wrong. When you search for Lean Biome on Amazon, you'll likely see several listings, some that even look official. They might even use the same branding, similar product photos, and sometimes even fake reviews to boost credibility. But here's the catch: Lean Biome is not officially sold on Amazon. The only legitimate place to buy it is through its official website, which is linked in the description below. Now, you might be wondering, what's the harm in buying it on Amazon if it's cheaper or faster? Let me break it down. First, the risk of getting a counterfeit product is very real. There have been numerous reports of customers receiving bottles that looked identical to the original, but the capsules inside were different in color, smell, and even taste. Some users reported feeling sick after taking it, while others noticed absolutely no results, because it wasn't the real thing. Second, buying outside the official website means you lose your 180-day money-back guarantee. This is a massive benefit that comes when you buy Lean Biome directly from the source. If the product doesn't work for you, you can simply contact them and ask for a full refund. No questions asked. Try doing that through a random Amazon seller, and you'll probably get ignored, or worse, blocked. And third, when you buy from the official site, you're protected. The product is shipped directly from the manufacturer, which means it's stored properly, fresh, and exactly as intended. On platforms like Amazon, you have no control over how the product was handled. Was it stored in a hot warehouse? Was it repackaged? You just don't know. Let me tell you a quick story. A woman named Laura from New Jersey shared on a review forum that she bought Lean Biome on Amazon to save a few bucks. The bottle she received had a slightly different label, but she didn't think much of it. After a month of taking it, she didn't feel any different. No weight loss, no better digestion, nothing. She later ordered from the official site and noticed within 2 weeks that her bloating was gone and her cravings had decreased significantly. The difference? She was finally taking the real Lean Biome. This kind of thing isn't rare. The internet is full of similar stories. That's why this warning is so important. Let's take a closer look at what makes Lean Biome so effective when you get the real deal. Lean Biome combines 9 different strains of lean bacteria, including Lactobacillus gasseri and Lactobacillus rhamnosus, which are clinically researched for their role in metabolism and weight regulation. It also includes Green Select Phytosome, a decaffeinated green tea extract that helps with fat oxidation without the jitters of regular green tea or caffeine pills. These ingredients work synergistically to restore your gut flora, which influences everything from your immune system to your body's ability to burn fat. If your gut bacteria are out of balance, your body can hold on to fat, slow your metabolism, and even send signals to your brain that make you crave unhealthy foods. And this isn't just marketing talk. Research from institutions like Harvard and Johns Hopkins has shown how gut health plays a major role in obesity and weight loss resistance. Lean Biome was designed based on this kind of research, not just another magic pill made up for social media hype. Now here's where it gets interesting. Real users have reported benefits beyond weight loss. People have said they sleep better, feel less bloated, and have more consistent energy throughout the day. This all makes sense because when your gut is functioning properly, the rest of your body starts to follow suit. That's the power of Lean Biome, but only when it's authentic. So, how can you make sure you're getting the real product? It's simple. Only buy through the official website. It's the only place where the manufacturer guarantees the product, includes the full 180-day refund policy, and offers multi-bottle discounts. You'll also avoid middlemen and unauthorized resellers. For example, on the official site, you can choose between 3 packages: a single bottle for a 30-day supply, 3 bottles for a 90-day supply with a small discount, or the best value, 6 bottles, which brings the price down significantly and includes free shipping. Most users who've seen lasting results opted for the 90 or 180-day supply, which makes sense because gut health and weight loss don't happen overnight. It's a gradual process, and giving your body time to adjust is key. If you're still on the fence, just think about this. Would you rather risk your health and results to save a few dollars on Amazon? Or would you rather get peace of mind knowing you're using the real, science-backed supplement directly from the source? Because that's really what this comes down to: peace of mind. No one wants to waste time and money on something that doesn't work. And worse, no one wants to put unknown substances into their body just because the bottle looks similar. When it comes to your health, there's no room for shortcuts. Lean Biome has helped thousands of people take control of their health by addressing one of the most overlooked aspects of weight loss: the gut. But that only matters if what you're taking is the real formula made in FDA-approved facilities, tested for purity, and delivered the way the creators intended. So, if you're serious about trying Lean Biome, don't take unnecessary risks. Don't get distracted by flashy deals or fake reviews on Amazon. Go straight to the source. It's safer, it's smarter, and it's the only way to make sure you're giving your body what it actually needs to change. Click the link in the description below to access the official Lean Biome website and secure your bottles with the full guarantee. Stay safe, take care of your health, and I'll see you next time.